Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi 12X, and today I'll show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down your not notifications but the toggles. So you want to do it from the right side and expand it and look for the toggle for the hotspot. And I did find it right over here, but as you can see it is a little bit grayed out, and that is because I am actually in airplane mode. So I'm going to turn that off, and there we go, it's now accessible. Now when doing this for the first time, you want to hold the toggle. This will quickly take you to the settings right here. Let's just select set up portable hotspot right there. And the reason you want to navigate here is because we do have a password for a hotspot, and if you tap on this little I, you can see that this password is absolutely garbage. So let's remove this one and set our own. Now the password needs to have at least 8 characters in length. There we go. And from there you can save it. You can also change the things like the name of the hotspot that it will create, which by default is always the name of the device. And we have a couple other things like, for instance, AP band, and that's basically all I would recommend changing right here. Now, when it comes down to the AP band, you have two options, 2.4 and 5 GHz. 5 GHz is better, faster, and more stable of a connection, but not every device will support it. So you would need to have a semi-new device from like last several years. And if you're not sure if your device supports it or not, the easiest way to figure it out is just turn on 5 GHz if your device, whichever one you're going to be using to connect to this hotspot with, simply just does not see your hotspot that you created, so does not see this name and the Wi-Fi list. That means that it does not support 5 GHz, and all you need to do is go back here, drop it to 2.4. Now, any device that has any kind of Wi-Fi connectivity supports 2.4, so no worries there. So anyway, once you went through all the settings, make sure you tap on the checkbox right here to save them. And from there, whenever you want to use your hotspot, find the toggle, tap on it, and there we go. It is now running in the background, and you can connect to your hotspot. So once you are done with it, you can tap on it again, and this will disable it. Now I do recommend keeping that in mind to turn it off, just because hotspot does consume a little bit more battery, and if you're not using it, there's really no reason for it to be running in the background. But that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.